Hey, I'm Barry Felice from Felice Window and Doors here in North Cape May, serving all of Cape May County. Today we've set up a little trial balloon, I guess you want to call it, a temporary wall to kind of show you some things that are really important when your storm door is getting installed. You want to make sure that your door frame is square, okay? I see this a lot with these big chains, these big orange box doors sending out their installers. They're not checking the door. Now, obviously, a lot of times the door is not going to be square. It's not going to be plumb. And it's not going to be level. But the installer should be aware of where the door is at, so when he goes to put the storm door in, he can kind of fudge it. Another important thing is, it's called cross leg. If this door was installed properly and the two parallel pieces are a little bit off, your storm door is not going to go in correctly. The door is not going to close properly. But there again, you can shim for that. And you can check for it before you even, pardon my backside. These strings should just be touching. If you got a gap, it's telling you that your door frame is cross-legged, and your storm door is not going to open and close properly. It's not going to fit right unless the installer shims it. And that only comes with experience, and that's why you want to give us a call at 609-889-9500 for professional installation.